Hi you guys, so today's video is an extremely amazing, satisfying organizational vlog. Let me show you. I got another IKEA Alex doll cabinet. I feel like मेरा घर पूरा उसी से भर गया, मेरा room, because let me show you. So I had this cabinet and then that cabinet, and literally I will show you. Look at this. This is like a overflow of everything which is happening in here. So I was like, I need to do something to just look at this is like overflowing. And then my cupboard also, here it is like overflowing. So I got this, okay, which is just besides my bed, and it had like a lot of space. Ye space bahut waste ja raha tha, so I was like, you know what, let's just buy it. Any which ways, like, you know, the cleaning was happening, whatever it is. So I went ahead, I bought this. It is brand new, so now I wanted to take you through it and show you the organization process. Mera pura bathroom, mera cupboard, and all the drawers were like brimmed like to the pack, and so I was like, you know, I need to remove it. And then now I'm gonna remove everything, and then let's hope everything just fits in this really nicely. So this is like where, like, this is my closet basically. यहाँ पे भी मैंने boxes रखे हैं, and पीछे भी बहुत सारे boxes and pouches है, which I don't want because I clearly want to store all of my clothes nicely here. So yeah, this is some of the stuff. This is my empty products. I always like to keep my empties to film videos and to show proof that मैं actually products खत्म करती हूँ. Like, देख लो यार. And then this is the new in stuff. This is the new products which I have to make videos on. So that is that. And then I have to empty this because this is purely a chaos, and probably even this drawer, which is also a chaos, and this one. So yeah, before arranging this, I think I'm gonna keep all my tools, like Amazon tools or something like that, in this. But before that, I want to remove products from these which I want to keep in there, and then see what all is it, so I can see it in front of my eyes. Look at this. This is too much, like insane. Let's start organizing. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but let's just roll with it. This is my entire drawer of the products I have not used, and then I have this one which is like a new in drawer, which videos I have to make yet. And these are the newer products which I want. Some of these will go for giveaway, so my giveaway box is a different, another story. And then those are the empties. I'll try to keep it and like keep on, you know, recycling them as I make the video about the empties. But as of now, this is kind of empty, which is what I like. So yeah, this, however, I am thinking to keep like a Amazon tools. Like, I have like so many of these random tools and stuff which I want to keep in here, so I'm gonna do that now. Some of it is done, so this is not fitting anywhere, so I was like, whatever. So the first drawer I will open and I will show you. So this is my lip balms, clips, hair ties, combs, mirrors, and this is like my project pan kind of products. I just keep it above because I want to finish these makeup products, and these are like the most used or like target for, you know, this month or like whatever the days are. And then the second drawer, so फन स्टोरी, ये बहुत एम्प्टी था. सो आई वाज लाइक, मुझे इसको प्रोडक्ट से अभी के लिए होल्ड नहीं करना है. सो अगर न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स आ गए, मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स, देन आई विल कीप इट फॉर रिव्यू. बट नाउ just look at it. I've always wanted to keep my sunglasses like this, so I was like, you know what, I'll just do it for the time being. There is a space in my closet right there for sunglasses, but then I was like, you know what, let's just put it like this because it looks so freaking good, right? Then the third drawer is basically my Amazon tools and all the miscellaneous stuff, like head massager, face massager, like hair oil applicator. We have makeup cleaning brushes, wheat strips. There are like my nail kind of, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, nail के जो press-ons के जो applicators and all of that is still here, like very miscellaneous random stuff. Then this is my like new in so I have to make videos on these, and then these are like my empties. So as soon as I make video on the empties, I'll, you know, kind of remove it, so I'll have a little bit space, which I'm happy that this has like a little bit space. Also cannot wait to try these. And then lastly, this is all the heaviest stuff. Like, this is all my bath body care kind of products which I have not used yet. So probably body washes, lotions, deodorants, hand creams, shower gels. A lot of shower gels are here. Even creams which I have, like, you know, not used, I am gonna use it next. So all of that is here. And then the before lipstick was looking so bad, but now just look at it, it's so much more organized right now. I kind of, you know, divided my lipstick drawer into two parts. So this is like most of the stuff which, like, these are the lipsticks which I wear every single like day. Like, most of the stuff I love in these lipstick, bullet lipsticks. These are my nude shades and these are my pink shades, and I don't wear reds that much, so I've kept it thoda peachy. And then I emptied this entire drawer, which was the miscellaneous stuff which is in the other drawer. So here I kept my extra lipsticks. These are the lip glosses. These are the lipsticks which I don't wear, which I want to review them, so that's why I've kept it here. These are my glosses and lip liners. These are again lipsticks which I wear but not that much, so I've kept it here. These are all my Mamaearth lipsticks. And then this is basically the powder which was literally smashed in this. Now ये foundation drawer है, इसको मुझे कुछ तो करना है, like I arrange it properly basically, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So that was the video, you guys. You can literally see so much of lipsticks I was just swatching, and meanwhile I even applied fake nails to my hands. So that was the organization. I am so tired. I'll probably arrange my closet tomorrow because I'm just exhausted. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.